Hi, it's Karim Rahmatullah again for Trade Talk Tuesday, or I should say Tesla Talk Tuesday. Remember last week my partner Brian Bonarelli got on here, talked about Tesla, which could go up, could go down after earnings. It's a huge play, okay? Usually after the fact. But you never know what it's going to do. It's always going to cost you a lot of money to get in the game, right? I mean, Tesla's trading at $850 a share. If you wanted to buy 100 shares of Tesla, it's going to cost you $85,000. Is that right? $85,000? Yeah, I mean, $85,000. If you want to buy 1,000 shares, $850,000. I mean, I don't know. I don't have that kind of pocket change lying around. So let's think about how can we play Tesla if we don't have 850 grand lying around in our petty cash box. The way to do it is to look at the options. And this is why we play options in the war room, okay? Because options give you leverage at a fraction of the price. This is so critical because people get shut out of some major plays, Apple, Tesla, Amazon, all these things, because they think, oh my God, the price is so high, I can't get in there. I only have 850 bucks. What am I going to do with that? Buy one share of Tesla? Well, here, this is what you can do. You can get in on the Tesla options and do the exact same thing as owning the stock, where you're controlling the stock as opposed to owning it. So if it goes up, you're going to make a killing. If it goes down, you'll take less of a hit. Let me give you an example. For Tesla, $850 a share, or 880, maybe 890, maybe $1,000 by the time I'm finished talking about this. You know, who really knows? But what you can do is you can go into the options market and you can control that same 100 shares of Tesla, but instead of $850 a share or $85,000 for the 100 shares, you can pay $17 for the $850 or $870 call option, and that's going to cost you $17,000 for the same 100 shares that you control. And that's what we do in the war room. That's why we like the strategies that we use, is because we allow everybody to get in the game with us without having to have a fortune sitting in the bank or in their brokerage firm and still get to participate in some of the greatest plays out there. Every day, we give out our best picks in Trade of the Day. You can sign up below on the link. It's totally free to get in there, and you'll get our best picks every day. It's so simple. It's a no-brainer. So if you want to learn about how to trade these companies like Tesla, other companies that we really love, every single day, sign up for Trade of the Day. Click on that link below.